Welcome aboard, fellow learners. Fasten your seatbelts. Keep all hands, legs, and other objects inside the motor vehicle at all times. You think I'm joking, but this class is going to move by lightning quick. And if you're not careful, you're going to get left behind. We don't want that. I'm here to help you. I serve as your tour guide. Now, why do I say tour guide? Well, in 1993, Allison King described the difference between a sage on the stage and a guide along the side. In the online environment, the guide works better for our students. And so I am your tour guide. I'm going to help you navigate this journey as we traverse through the class together. Now, I've been learning and teaching in the online environment since 2007. And during that time, I've picked up some secrets to success that I want to share with you. Number one, stay ahead. I mentioned earlier, this class goes by really fast. And if you get behind, it is incredibly difficult to catch up. So make sure you stay ahead. Number two, stay engaged. If we were in a traditional face-to-face classroom, we'd have plenty of opportunities to interact with one another. And we'll do that as well in the online environment. Most of that happens in the discussion board, and it's critical that you stay engaged in that discussion board, as well as stay engaged throughout the entire course with me, with your other learners. That's where the real fun of learning takes place. And then finally, sources. You need plenty of them. At this level of learning, it's not just rote memorization. What we're interested in is you taking your own experiences, your own observations, and synthesizing those with other authoritative sources. You bring your learning with the learning of others, bring that together, and that's how you apply what we are learning during this time together. So stay ahead, stay engaged, and use plenty of sources. That's for all your assignments as well as for the discussion posts. Now, what are your expectations for me? Number one, I will respond to all of your questions. I will respond no later than 48 hours. Normally it's within 24 hours, and more often than not, it's the same day. If I see it, I will respond to it. I say that because if by some chance your question gets lost, I don't see it, I'm going to give you the opportunity to just email me and let me know I've got a question pending in the classroom. It very, very rarely happens, but I always want to make sure that you have the opportunity to reach out just in case you have a question that does get missed. In addition to answering all your questions, I will get your grades returned to you no later than the week after they're due. Normally 5 days, and more often than not, I try to turn them around in about 3 days. That's the best practice that we'll use. And then finally, feedback. The best way to learn, in addition to interacting with others, is through constructive feedback. And so with your assignments, with your discussion post, I'll offer you feedback to help you improve. And that's what it's there for. It's there so that you can use this opportunity to improve upon the knowledge that you already have. You've already proven that you can go this far. We want to help you go even further. If you have questions about that feedback, by all means, reach out and I'll be happy to clarify. So those are the secrets to success. Those are your expectations from me. I look forward to learning from your experiences while we interact together in the classroom. And most importantly, I wish you all the best along your own journey of learning.